Hello there, I'm Jimmy Vegas, and you've caught me moving some furniture around in my imaginary game. It's called Furniture Mover. No, it's not really. Actually, this video, I want to bring your attention to two channels on YouTube, which I think you guys would really benefit from. These two developers are fantastic at what they do. They do more advanced stuff than me. So if you're looking for slightly more advanced than what I do, these two channels are probably the best place to go as of right now. Now, this video isn't sponsored. These channels don't even know I'm doing this video. In fact, the first time they'll know about it is right now as this video comes out. But the first one is Comp3 Interactive. Now, Mike at Comp3 Interactive is a character. He's fantastic at what he does. He's a software engineer. And like me, he's been using Unity for many years. That's brilliant. Subscribe, follow. I love that. I love that. So I really think you should subscribe to Mike. Look at his thumbnails. Clearly, he puts more effort into them than I do. He puts more effort into all of his content than I do. There's a whole lot to learn here. I mean, it's just absolutely fantastic. There's tons of tutorials. You may have seen me recommend a couple of these tutorials in the past, but I really think you guys would benefit full on from subscribing and also just watching everything you can. There's so much to learn from Mike. He is a fantastic guy and knows what he's talking about. So this is the first channel that I would recommend you guys subscribe to if you want to learn more. The next one is Devsplorer. She is brilliant at what she does. And if you follow her on Twitter, you'll see her constantly, these little tweets about game development. And I love that kind of thing. Her video content is really on point. The thumbnails are so bright and colourful and attractive in that way. Yes, I know it's a lot smaller, less than 1,000 subscribers right now, but you guys will really benefit from her. She knows what she's talking about. She's good at what she does. She's fluent in what she does, and everything is on point. It's absolutely brilliant what she creates. I mean, look at this. There you are. How to create it. There it is, but that's how to create it. It's just these little things like that of how you can learn from these people. There are so many smaller creators in the developer community that are just overlooked. And I really think these two deserve way more attention. That's why I'm hoping you guys will subscribe to them, because you will learn a whole lot from just these two alone. And like I say, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. They don't even know I've recorded this right now. So I would appreciate it if you subscribe to these two. You would appreciate it if you subscribe to these two. And these two channels would really appreciate it if you subscribe to them. Trust me, you're going to learn a lot from these two. Guys, thank you very much for watching.